When I found myself in times of trouble, Mother Mary comes to me.
Just enjoy life. We will never be this young again. Time moves fast, and every moment is precious. Cherish.
Oh, I trust in God, my Savior, the one who will never.
Ang buhay ay puno ng hamon at pagsubok, pero laging may mga dahilan para maging kontento. Huwag tayong mag-focus sa mga bagay na wala tayo.
Teach me to trust in you with all of my heart.
Lagi mong isama si Lord sa mga plano mo sa buhay. Dapat, kahit gaano pa kalayo ang marating mo, wag na wag kang makakalimot.
I've loved you forever, in lifetimes before.
Love takes time to heal when you hurt so much. And all my life you have been faithful. And all
The struggles I'm facing, the chances I'm taking, sometimes might knock me down, but no.
Through every up and down, I promise to stay with you in my heart.
Ang pag-abot ng pangarap ay mahirap lang sa simula. Parang bundok na matarik sa unang tingin. Pero bawat hakbang mo ay Ang buhay ay parang salamin. Ibinabalik nito ang ibinibigay mo. Kung ngingitian mo ito, ngingitian ka rin nito.